welcome back to our channel Verma's Views. Today in our channel I'm going to show you not a simple recipe but a very delicious recipe, guys. Once you taste this recipe you'll never forget the taste. So let's begin.
For the egg chicken noodles, first of all boil the water up to bubbling hot with 1 tablespoon of salt. Then add the noodles. I am here adding 1 cake of noodles, guys. And cover it with a lid and let it cook up to 90%. As you can see, our noodles is perfectly cooked, guys. Make sure you cook the noodles up to 90% only because the rest of the 10% will be cooked on the pan. Now strain the water. Now add 2 mugs of cold water and give it a good mix and strain it again. Now it is very important step, guys. Add 1 to 2 large tablespoon of oil and give it a good mix. This step helps the noodles to be non-sticky for a long time. As you can see, our noodles is ready, guys. Let's keep it aside. Now take a bowl with 250 grams of chicken. Add half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoon of maida. Add 2 tablespoon of vinegar. Now break a egg, guys, and give it a good mix. You don't need to marinate this chicken, guys. Just mix it and we will fry it then. As you can see, our chicken is perfectly mixed, guys. Let's turn on the flame. Take a kadai. Make sure you take a large kadai, guys, because we will mix the noodles with the same kadai only. Now add 2 large tablespoon of oil. Check whether the oil is heated. Then drop the chicken one by one and fry it until all the chicken gets cooked. Give it a good mix. Cover it with a lid and cook it for 2 minutes. As you can see, our chicken is perfectly cooked, guys. Let's transfer it to a plate. Now in the same kadai, add half tablespoon of oil and break 2 eggs. We are making this recipe in the same kadai only because we don't want to miss out on the flavors of chicken and egg, guys. Make sure you make this recipe in the same kadai only. And fry the egg until all the egg gets separated like I am showing on the screen. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of pepper and give it a good mix. As you can see, our egg is perfectly fried, guys. Let's transfer it to a plate. Now in the same kadai, add 2 large tablespoon of oil. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of ajwain, 1 tablespoon of jeera, a cup of green chilies and give it a good mix. 1 large cup of onion sliced. Give it a mix. Now add 1 large cup of carrots. Give it a mix. Now add some grated cabbage. All these vegetables depends upon your taste, guys. You can add any vegetables of your choice. Now add 3 tablespoon of tomato sauce. This is homemade tomato sauce, guys. The link will be in the description. Add 2 tablespoon of chili sauce. Add 2 tablespoon of vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Give it a mix. Now add half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder. This is homemade coriander powder, guys. The link will be in the description. Add half tablespoon of pepper roughly crushed. Add half tablespoon of jeera. Give it a mix. Now add 1/4 cup of water to maintain the thickness of the sauces. Give it a mix. Now add the chicken and the egg which we have made earlier and add the noodles and saute it well, guys, until all the ingredients are perfectly mixed. As you can see, our noodles are perfectly turning into golden color, guys, just the way we want. Our noodles are ready to serve. You can garnish the noodles with some green chilies. Serve it with some sauces, fresh slices of tomatoes and onions. As you can see, the color and the non-stickiness of our noodles, guys, they are perfectly cooked, guys. It's not an easy recipe but it is very delicious recipe, guys. You must try this recipe. As you can see, our chicken is perfectly and tenderly cooked, guys. It's ready to enjoy.